Hi, this is the Kawaii Kitties. We didn't get to decorate this, so it looks a little bit messy, but
it's
a slime machine. Yes.
So yeah.
So if you look inside, we're gonna tell you how it works,
And then I'm gonna show you mine.
Yes, and there's a video you can watch to do the exact same thing. So, if you're looking at this hole right here, that's where your slime activator would go right through. And if you're looking over here, that's where your coin would go through, and your glue would be about right there. And then, when you go on over, you would usually have a bowl right here, and then you would mix it up right here. Oh, and look, it looks like we have a cute little visitor. Look who came to help. That's Midnight. So, and when you would like to put your coin in, there would usually be a hole right here, and you would pull this. You would pull your lever out, down like that, and you would usually put your coin through the hole right here. I did not have enough time to make that hole, but I guarantee you it would work. So you would just have your glue. You just have your glue sitting right there, and then your coin would push your glue right out down there, and then you would come in and grab it. And you might want to make some adjustments right here to put a little wall so nobody just like comes in and grabs the glue. So you can obviously tell that it's very easy to make this. All you have to do is make some little levers, and right here, that's where you would usually put the spoon. Like, see here, it's right here. That's where you would like put your spoon. Just pretend that's a spoon like that. And then this is all your food coloring. And like I said, there would usually be a bowl right there, and you would just mix it all up together. We did not have enough time to decorate it, yes, but I guarantee you it works. All you have to do is pull the lever, put the coin in, and the glue will come out. And done. See you next time on the Kawaii Kitties. Please subscribe and like this video. Remember about the special video when we hit 500 subscribers. Bye. See you next time on the Kawaii Kitties.